Kreepers! What's up, you guys? Starting the day off with some, like Adam the Woo says, piping hot beverage. Just a regular drip coffee. How the heck are you guys? Today's gonna be a fun one. Stay tuned.
So this is the trailhead right here. Oh, I know, she's excited. So we're gonna just creep back in here and check out some sounds and sights of nature. Primitive trail beyond this point. Falls on this trail can result in serious injury or death. Stay on the trail. Watch for falling rocks and trees. Will do. Pretty good incline here still. Whew. Are you up for it, girl? Very peaceful back in here. Okay, let's go. Whew. If you guys can see, we lucked out. It is absolutely gorgeous today. And it's like I said, it is an incline of a hike, but it feels good actually once you kind of get going, and once you kind of get up here to the destination, you kind of go, oh, that wasn't too bad. It actually feels pretty good. Right behind me there's this huge kind of gully. There's not really any trails. This is the main trail here, but you can see it goes back pretty darn far into the woods. And so I'm used to getting out and getting walks, but I forgot about the incline of this hill here. But she's loving it, aren't you, girl? So we're almost at the little breaking point. I actually brought some snacks for us. Not really lunch, just kind of sit down and have a nice little picnic snack kind of thing. And then there's also some little bench. I think there's a bench up here as well still, I'm hoping. So keep creeping with. Kind of cool too, this rock wall here. I don't know how long this has been here for, but you can tell it's pretty old with all the moss kind of overgrowing it. Looks really cool though. But you can see it's kind of like some old stonage. I hear him, but I don't see him. He's way above the clouds. Oh, there he is. Hi. How you folks doing? Okay, come on. Good girl. Okay, come on. Oh, cool. Here's the little rest area. And if you keep going up that hill, which we've done before, it takes us up to an abandoned bus, which is on a previous vlog. But I'm going to hang out here for a minute and just get some little rest on this bench. Nice. Alright, so we made it up, not to the very tip top, but to this little bench area. And I got Penelope tied up here to this little placard, which I believe is a map. We're gonna check it out here. What do you see, girl? Pretty good hike, huh? Yeah. We'll have some snacks here too, and I'll give you some water. Okay? I know you don't really like being tied up right there, but you're gonna have to just for a second while I check this out. Gresham Butte Saddle Trail. Okay, so that's the official trail. Gresham's mini buttes are boring lava domes, formations created from eruptions that occurred between 100,000 and 6 million years ago as the Portland Basin was pulled apart by tectone forces. Rocky Butte and Mount Tabor in Portland are also boring lava domes, which we've visited Mount Tabor many of times. And here looks like an old-timey flick of what it used to look like up here. You can see there's some cattle. Gosh, it'd be amazing if these were still the same trees all these years later. Maybe so. But it shows a little map here, which is pretty cool. And it says we are here, and we just came in from up here. So pretty good little trek in, and then I guess if you follow this up here, this would be the water tower, and this hill here, right here, goes up to the bus, or like an old bread truck. I can't remember exactly, but very cool. Oh, you did so good. There was other doggies and you stayed good. Good girl. I know you still see that doggy. You just want to play, but you know, they don't want that. They want to hike. So you, sit. Good girl. Okay, we're gonna have a snack. You want a treat? You want a treat now? Good girl. Okay, you stay right there. I'll give you a treat. We're gonna have a little snack. Brought some chips. Okay, sit down. I know you love these, don't you? No, sit. Sit. Good girl. Okay, you're all tangled up. You're all tangled up. You gotta sit down. Sit. Sit. Okay, now, you wanna show them how good of a girl you are? No. No, sit. 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 Over here. Over here. Sit. Sit. Shake. Good girl. Okay. It's a nice walk up here. It's a long way. You can have one in a minute. You just give me a second. I'm going to do my hand. Definitely a nice spot to just chill. I'm not sure what was on that placard, but looks like it's seen better days. Good girl. You like eating snacks? So listen. Sit down. Sit. Shake. Good girl. Super peaceful. Okay, see, that's all I wanted was just a quick shot of you. You guys see me? Okay, get some water. Go ahead. Go ahead, get some water. This guy's climbing this hill. Woo! Boy, that's hard right there. Woo! Look at this incline too. I think we're gonna pull off to the side here and let him cruise by. Okay, sit. Sit so he can get by. Woo!
What's that?
You are brave, bro.
Holy cow.
Dang, that's a nice one too.
Yeah, it's almost faster walking than riding.
Well, that's pretty darn strong right there.
Cheers.
You too, bud. Have a good one.
Too.
Holy smokes, you guys, look at this.
Once you get to this little grade, it's like way more.
I give it to you. That's some good terrain, man. You putting that bike to use. Got some other doggies up here. These people were really nice. We were getting water and they said, well, our dogs aren't really too good with other dogs. I said, I feel you. Mine loves people, but she's basically a brat when it comes to other dogs. Whew. All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for today. I'm exhausted. She wears me out. We got to get back to the creek pad and get some food. But if you guys are new here, make sure you do hit that subscribe. It makes you an official creeper. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. I always do. And what else? Oh, you can ring that bell. That way when I creep, you guys will be the first to creep. Sit down, girl. Come here. No, this way. This way. Okay, sit. 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 There you go. But until next time, from Penelope and Kreeper, out for now. Peace. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay.